Good morning, students. So today I will start self practice 2B. Okay. So first question: find each value 10 to the power minus 4. Second one 10 to the power minus 7. C 10 to the power minus 8. And last 10 to the power minus 10. So if power is given negative, then here power minus 4, minus 7, minus 8, minus 10. So first we write 1. Okay. In every we write 1. Okay. And what power is given? Power is given minus. So before 1 we write, means including 1 we write 4 digit with 0. Okay. Here 7, so including 1 we write 7 digits with help of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And after that, put decimal point. So before that also we can write 0. Understood? So power minus 4 means this decimal point will shift 4 digit left. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more method also. 10 power minus 4, so 1 upon, make positive, and 1 upon 10 power 4 means 10 into 10, 4 times. So will be 10,000. And you know that 1 divided by 10,000. So how many zeros here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be clear. Similarly, remaining also are directly. Method you understand. Power minus 4. So first you write 1. Okay. Then with 1, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in 4 digits only 1, 1. And remaining will fill by 0. Okay. 1, then remaining by 0. 1, remaining by 0. 1, remaining by 0. Okay. Then question number 2. Write each number in scientific notation. So scientific notation I told you in concept. So 5, 7, 5, 0. Okay. So now scientific notation I told you that you have to convert it 10 to the power. So first you identify that where is decimal point. So if decimal point not looking, okay, not given, so you have to understand that that is at last. Okay, that's why not given. Means point is here. Okay. And that we have to shift how many digits? Told that number should be less than or greater than 1. Numbers should be greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. And less than 10. So 5.7. Remaining zeros also you can write 2, 4, 5. Or if not write also no problem. So how many digits you shifted left hand side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the power 6. Okay. Means 5.7 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. So like this you have to do. B, and 5.7 that is greater than 1 and less than 10. Second one 81930. So in this point told that a point is not given means at last here. So that will shift here. Okay. So how many digits shifting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8.19 into 10 to the power 5. Clear? Very simple only. You have to understand the concept. 8.19 greater than 1 and less than 10. 4. How many 0? 3, 6, 9. Okay. So in this point is here. So shift here. How many digits? Count it. 3, 6, 9. So 4.0 into 10 to the power 9. Okay. This is for understanding. Okay. So here point is here. Shift how many digits? 4 digits. So 5.6 into 10 to the power 4. Okay. Then question number 3. In that point, okay, means these were bigger numbers, and in question 3 is smaller, okay, numbers are given. So 0 point. So here point is given here. Okay. So this we have to shift here because the number that should be greater than or equal to 1 or less than 10. Okay. So this 5.3. So how many digits shifted? Okay. Here right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power minus will be. Difference is that plus and minus. When shifted in left hand side, then plus. Shifted in right hand side, then power will be minus. The remaining process same. Okay. Then B. So 0.70. Okay. So here point where we will shift in right hand side here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8.4 into 10 to the power minus. How many digits shifting in right hand side? So 8 digits. So 10 to the power minus 8. Next 0.0009. So point will shift here. Okay. So means we will write 9.0 into how many digits? 4 digits. So 10 to the power minus 4. And last 0.0603. So point will shift here. Okay. So 6.03 into how many digits? 2 digits. So minus 2. Okay. And after writing you can erase this. This is for your understanding. Okay. So question 2 and 3 completed. Then question 4 and 5 opposite to this means given in these forms and you have to write in these forms. Okay. So question number 4. Write each number in standard form. So in starting I told you that standard form here meaning usual form. Okay. So write each number in usual form. You cut that standard. In place of that, you write usual form. Okay. So 5.7 into 10 to the power 3. Okay. Means you have to remove 10 to the power. You have to write in number. Okay. So 10 to the power 3. Then point will shift power 3. So point will shift 3 digit right. So only here 1 digit. So remaining 2 places you fill by 0. So what will be 5700? Means 5700. Okay. Their part be 6.39 into 10 to the power 5. So here point will shift 5 digit right. So 6, 3, 9, 2 digit 3 and 9 remaining by 0. Okay. 1.71 into 10 to the power 6. So point will shift 6 digits right. Okay. So 2 digits 7 and 1 given, remaining places by 0. Okay. 4 into 10 to the power 9. So point will shift 9 digit right. So 1 0 is given, remaining by 0. Okay. This will be last part of this question. 7.02 into 10 to the power 4. Okay. So 7.02 into 10 power 4. So point will shift 4 digit right. Okay, this will be. Then question number 5. This is also like 4th, but something different. 9.4 into 10 to the power minus. Here power is given negative. So point will shift left. Okay. If power is positive, then will shift right. If power is negative, then will shift left. How many digits? 4 digits. 1 digit is given 9, remaining by 0 and then point. So point 0.00094. 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 3 digits. So 1 digit 2 is given and remaining by 0. Five 5.01 into 10 to the power minus 2. So 2 digit left. 0.05010. Also you can write it. 3.88 into 10 to the power minus 1. So minus 1 means 1 digit left. So 0.388. 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 9. So 9 digit left, 1 digit given, 3. Then remaining 8 places by 0. Okay. Then last question of this exercise as well as this chapter also. Write the following facts in scientific notation. So scientific notation told that in form of 10 power. So 1496 and how many 0? 80. So here point not given means here is that. So this will shift here means 1.496 into how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 to the power 11. Okay. And similarly, remaining you can try from yourself. Okay. B that is given 0.000007. Okay, so this point will shift here. So 7 into how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and right hand side shifting, so power -6. 6 digits shifting, so -6. Okay, C 0 point same like part B. Okay, so point will shift here, means 3.0 into 10 to the power -6, and similarly D also 0.00001275. So point will shift here, means 1.275 into 10 to the power, how many digits shifting? 5, so power -5. Okay, so like it. And mental maths and multiple choice questions, some questions from multiple choice question I will also discuss. Okay, thank you.